Hey, John from Joyland Roofing, and we're here at Water Authority in East Hempfield, and they've got a flat concrete roof with a rubber system on top of it. So it's called a ballasted roof system, which means there's stones on top to hold the rubber down. And it's got leaks all over the place. It's about 30 years old, and they need to get it replaced. So we were up there, and I took a bunch of measurements, inspected the weak points, the flashings, the corners, the drains, the penetrations. They've got a couple different units up there, exhaust units and air filters and all kinds of stuff like that. So took a bunch of pictures, kind of did my inspection, and then did a core sample, which is where I cut into the roof with a knife and then actually cut down through the system just to find out what the roof is made of. Obviously the rubber's covering over the insulation and whatever else is between that and the roof deck of concrete, and I need to find out what's in there, how much insulation it is, what kind of insulation, what the insulation value is it saturated or not with water, is it dry? If it's dry, we could probably go over it with a new system. If it's saturated, we'll probably have to pull it all off and start again. So a core sample really kind of helps me gather the information I need to be able to correctly quote a job like this and make sure we don't run into any surprises when we open things up to go do the work. So got the inspection done, and we're good to go.